What is the process to add my initials in my PAN card?
Hello everyone, and welcome to this informative video. Today, we are going to walk you through the process of adding your initials to your PAN card. It's important to note that any changes to your PAN card should be done carefully as it's an essential financial and identity document in India. Your name, including your initials, should match across all your identity documents.
What is a PAN card and why does it matter?
The Permanent Account Number, PAN, is a unique 10-digit alphanumeric number issued by the Income Tax Department in India. The PAN is mandatory for a majority of financial transactions such as receiving taxable salary or professional fees, sale or purchase of assets, trading of mutual funds, and so on. It is therefore crucial that your PAN card has the correct information, including your initials.
How to request for the change or correction in PAN details.
If you want to add your initials to your PAN card, you essentially need to apply for changes or corrections in your existing PAN data. Here are the steps you need to follow. 1. Visit the NSDL or UTIITSL website. These are the two official websites where you can apply for changes or corrections in your PAN card. 2. Find and click on the Changes or Correction in PAN Details option. This will open an online form that you will need to fill out. 3. Fill out the form with the correct details. You will need to enter your existing PAN number, and then provide the details that need to be changed or corrected, in this case, your initials. 4. Submit the form. After you have filled out the form, you can submit it online. You will need to pay a nominal fee for the changes to be made. The payment can be made through various modes like credit card, debit card, net banking, or demand draft. 5. Send supporting documents. Once the payment is successful, you will need to send the supporting documents, proof of identity, address, and date of birth, to NSDL or UTIITSL, depending upon where you applied. 6. Receive your new PAN card. After verification of your documents, you will receive your new PAN card with the updated initials at your registered address. Remember, make sure all the information you provide is accurate and matches the supporting documents you submit. And that's how you add your initials to your PAN card. It's a fairly straightforward process, but it's important to do it correctly to avoid any future complications. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep your PAN card and other identity documents up to date.